Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be showing you how I clean my jets in my tub. Now, if you have jets, you got to make sure that they are clean on the inside, because once you turn that jet on, a lot of dirt will come into your tub. So I like to take my spray bottle with my cleaner that I showed you guys one time before, and I spray it in there. Then I like to take a toothbrush and I like to go inside my jet and make sure I'm scrubbing all the walls out of that jet, just in case stuff is stuck, on the inside. I like to keep my jet tilted up to hold the cleaner in. And now I am finna use my super tool. And that is a turkey baster, guys. Now, you take some water or some more cleaner if you want to. Look at all that stuff come out. You can put your cleanser in there and squirt the cleanser in there. But look at all of that stuff coming out of that jet. And that's just stuff that's just trapped behind there. And this is an effective way to clean your jets out, period. You see all that stuff falling out? And you can use this turkey baster also to rinse out your jet. As I clean each jet, look at the stuff that's coming out behind the jet. Look at the water. Look at the jet. Now, I used to clean my jets a different way. I used to fill up the tub and put a dishwasher pod in there so that, you know, the dishwasher pod will run through the jets. But this method not only cleans the jet, but it gets behind the jet wall. So if you're trying to clean your jets in the tub, this is another way that you can clean them. I will still from time to time put a dishwashing pod in there so it will get completely clean, but this is an excellent way. And I have my turkey baster here. And you can fill it up full of soapy water or whatever cleaner you're going to use. Put it in there. Let's see. And it's going to get everything out. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. See it coming all from around the walls, guys. So pretty much that's it. That is a way that you can clean your jets in your tub. I'm gonna show you look at all the stuff. And I cleans my tubs and jets all the time. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, stay clean, love one another, and I will talk to you later.